Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we have a fascinating research topic to explore, the relationship between leadership styles and employee motivation, a cross-cultural analysis of high-performing organizations. Leadership is a critical factor in shaping organizational success, and its impact on employee motivation can be immense. We'll delve into various leadership styles and examine their influence on employees' motivation in different cultural settings. Before we begin, let's take a look at some prominent global leaders and their leadership styles. One example of a prominent global leader and their leadership style is Elon Musk, known for his transformational leadership. Through his visionary approach and innovative thinking, Musk has been able to motivate and inspire his teams to achieve groundbreaking advancements in various industries, including electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy. The reason why this research topic is so crucial is that employee motivation is directly linked to organizational productivity, job satisfaction, and overall success. Understanding how different leadership styles impact motivation, especially in diverse cultural environments, can provide valuable insights for leaders to optimize their approach and create a more productive work environment. While this research can be conducted in various industries, some particularly suitable ones include technology firms, healthcare organizations, and multinational corporations. These industries often deal with diverse workforces and require effective leadership to maintain high levels of motivation. Chapter 1 Introduction. The research problem identifies the specific issue that this study aims to address. For example, one research problem could be to investigate the impact of transformational leadership on employee motivation in the healthcare industry. The research significance highlights the importance and relevance of the study. For instance, understanding the relationship between leadership styles and employee motivation can help healthcare organizations improve employee engagement, ultimately leading to better patient care. Research questions are the specific queries the study seeks to answer. Here are 3 sample research objectives. How does transactional leadership affect employee motivation in multinational corporations? What is the impact of democratic leadership on employee motivation in technology firms? How does paternalistic leadership influence employee motivation in healthcare organizations? Research objectives. Research objectives outline the intended outcomes of the study. Here are 3 sample research questions. To assess the relationship between transformational leadership and employee motivation in the technology industry. To examine the influence of cultural differences on the effectiveness of various leadership styles in multinational corporations. To identify the most effective leadership style for enhancing employee motivation in healthcare organizations. The research rationale explains why this study is essential. For example, as organizations expand globally, understanding how leadership styles impact employee motivation across cultures can help leaders adapt their practices and achieve better business outcomes. Chapter 2 Literature Review. The literature review is a crucial part of the research, as it provides an overview of existing theories and models related to leadership styles and employee motivation. Suitable subtopics for this research may include the concept of leadership and its evolution, different leadership styles and their characteristics, theories on employee motivation, cross-cultural differences and their influence on workplace dynamics, studies on leadership styles in high-performing organizations. Theories and models that can be adopted for this research include transformational leadership theory, transactional leadership theory, situational leadership model, self-determination theory, Hofstede's cultural dimensions theory. Chapter 3 Methodology. For this research, a suitable conceptual framework could involve 3 independent variables: leadership style, e.g., transformational, transactional, paternalistic, cultural context, e.g., individualistic, collectivistic, and employee motivation. The dependent variable is employee motivation. In this type of research, a pragmatic research philosophy would be suitable. It allows us to combine qualitative and quantitative approaches to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topic. A deductive research approach would be appropriate, as it allows us to test existing theories on leadership and motivation across different cultures. A cross-sectional research strategy is advisable to collect data from different cultural settings and analyze the relationship between leadership styles and employee motivation at a specific point in time. For this study, a mixed method research choice would be effective, as it allows us to gather both quantitative and qualitative data, offering a more comprehensive analysis. Given the nature of this research, a combination of qualitative and quantitative data analysis methods would be most suitable. Quantitative analysis could involve statistical measures like regression analysis, while qualitative data can be analyzed through thematic analysis. During the research process, ethical considerations are crucial. For example, obtaining informed consent from participants, ensuring data privacy, and maintaining confidentiality are essential aspects of ethical research. Chapter 4: Data Analysis. Based on our methodology recommendations, let's discuss how to analyze the data. In a quantitative approach, data from a sample of, let's say, 500 employees, could be collected through surveys. Regression analysis can help establish the relationship between different leadership styles and employee motivation scores. For qualitative analysis, interviews or focus groups can be conducted with employees from various cultural backgrounds. Themes related to leadership styles and their impact on motivation can be identified and analyzed. Chapter 5: Conclusion. The conclusion should summarize the key findings of the research and highlight the implications for organizations. It will also reiterate the importance of understanding the relationship between leadership styles and employee motivation, especially in cross-cultural contexts. Chapter 6: Recommendations. Based on the research findings, here are some suitable recommendations for organizations. Provide leadership training programs that focus on developing transformational leadership skills for leaders in multinational corporations. Encourage leaders to adopt a participative leadership style in technology firms to foster employee creativity and innovation. Promote a paternalistic leadership approach to build strong employee-employer relationships and enhance motivation. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, leadership styles can profoundly impact employee motivation, and by understanding these dynamics, we can create happier and more productive workplaces. For access to a preliminary version of the research topic, please follow the hyperlink provided in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting research topics and discussions. Until next time, stay motivated.